What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back with another video, and I know you guys seen the title and the thumbnail, man. Your boy got a super steal from the Nike SNKRS app, man. I actually got these shoes for $93, man. I used my military discount and it was already on sale for like 50% off, man. So I was like, man, let me go ahead and jump on this sneaker, and I don't have a lot of this silhouette in my collection. And along with this video, I'm gonna drop an on feet over the sneaker because I feel like I haven't done on feet in a minute. I'm still waiting on the Yeezy 350 V2 linens that's supposed to be here tomorrow, so you guys will definitely see a review and on feet over that sneaker. And I got a couple of packages coming from the GOAT app. As you guys do know, GOAT just started this little sale or whatever for 3 straight days when they put on a lot of shoes on sale and they go way under what the market value is for that sneaker, man. They had the Travis Scott 6s on there, they had the Yeezy 700 Salts, they had the Travis Scott Air Force 1s that just dropped recently. They had a whole bunch of different dope sneakers on there that were going for way under market value price, man. So I'm gonna put like a little picture right here so you guys can see what they threw up on there, and I think they're gonna be doing it 3 consecutive days, man. So the next wave will be today and of course tomorrow. So make sure if you don't have the GOAT app, you download it right now and check out whatever they drop on there, because I picked up a pair from them for like $80, man. So I'm like, let me go ahead and grab this sneaker. $80, not that bad, and that's actually a shoe that I was eyeing for years now, and I finally got them in the collection. So you guys will definitely see that video sometime this weekend or maybe even next week, man. I got a lot of videos scheduled for you guys. So right now what I need you guys to do is subscribe, ring notification bell for you boys so you never miss another video that drops on the channel, and smack that like button, man. That really helps the channel grow, man. Like the video and comment something down below, tell me what's up, anything down below, man. Spam up some fire emojis. That really helps the channel grow, man. And if you don't mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked below in the description box. So with all that being said, let's get right into this unboxing over this steal I got from the Nike SNKRS app, man. Let's get it. Alright, as you guys can see, man, you see the Nike Just Do It tape on the box. I'm gonna flip it over because I have my address and stuff over here. So let's go ahead and pop this joint open real quick. I already cut it open, so I ain't had to deal with my knife, man. So let's go ahead and pull these joints out right quick. And yeah, man, here we have it, man, a Jordan 8 box. As you guys do know, they was bringing this box back last year a lot. They put most of the Jordan 10s in here. I know the Seattle Supersonics colorway came in this box and the Orlando 10s came in this box, man. But now I have a pair of 8s coming in this one. So let's go ahead and check out what your boy got for way under retail, man. Let's read the official size tag, and right here, as you can see, I'm gonna do some B-roll, but the tag is super yellow, and it reads Air Jordan 8 Retro SE, and these joints retail for $225. So I got these joints for way over 50% off, and on top of that, I put my 10% military discount on the shoe, and I saved a lot of money on these joints, man. $93 for the sneaker. You can't beat it. And I got these joints in a size 9.5. They didn't have a size 9, but usually in my retro 8s I can go either 9 or 9.5. Either one works for me. So let's go ahead and pull these joints out. Oh, the official colorway is white, black, and red Orbit, man. This is a shoe that was super slept on. This is not a crazy exclusive sneaker, just something I want to add to the collection because I really don't have that many 8s. And here we have it, man. I don't even know the name of these joints, but I was like, man, they dope. So let me go ahead and grab these joints. I think it was called the Air Jordan 8 multicolors. You see all the different colors in there, and this may be something inspired by how many teams he played in the playoffs or something like that. You guys do remember the 3P8s had the Lakers, it had the Celtic colorway, and it had some other colorways in there that represented the 3P he did for his first championship. And right here, something this might be inspired by something along his career as well, man. But super fire is different, and at the end of the day, man, $93, you cannot beat the price. I've been sitting on this package for a minute. I didn't know when I wanted to unbox it, but I was like, man, let me go ahead and drop this video today because the shoes that I was waiting for today are not gonna be here. So tomorrow you guys are gonna definitely see a new release and review on the feet over the sneaker. Like I said, the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 linen joints, man, which I copped live for you guys last weekend, which is very dope. Right before I was about to end the live stream, Adidas sent your boy a notification that I hit on a size 9 my size. So like, shouts out to Adidas for that. But here you have it. Let me pull the other sneaker out real quick. It's like I said, nothing crazy. It ain't no Travis Scott 8, it ain't no Off-White 8 or anything like that, but just something different to add to the collection. You guys do know I don't have a lot of 8s, so I'm gonna pull them out right now. I have the championship 8s or the closing ceremonies, I forget what they're called. Check them out, check them out. I have these. I have the alternate 89s, I believe, right here. Check them out, check them out. It looks just like the Bugs Bunnies to me, just missing a couple colorways out of there. But super fire. Got the 1993 on the back pull tab. Just a dope sneaker, just a dope 8. But it's a lot of Air Jordan 8s that I'm missing in my collection that I really need to go back and get. I can give you guys a full list, but that'll just make the video a lot longer, man. So here you have it, the alternate 89 or alternate 93, something like that. Air Jordan 8, you guys see, you guys know what they are, man. Very dope colorway. And also have the Sequoia, aka the Poor Man Undefeated 8s, man. Check it out, check it out. Very dope. I done had these shoes for over 3 years now. Only wore it a good couple times. I need to get some more wears out of it, throw some more dope fits with it. But 8s is more like like of a winter fall shoe because of the bulkiness of it. Got a lot of lining, has a lot of material put inside the shoe, so sometimes make your feet really hot during the summertime, man. But still a dope shoe. But this is probably by far my favorite 8 in the collection right now, man. I still definitely want to get the DV8s. And there's a lot of different 8s that I want, but like I said, we're not gonna get into that, man. So here you have it. That is my 8 collection as of now. I need a lot more, trust me, I know, but this is the newest addition to my sneaker collection, man. $93, I was like, you can't beat it. This is when Nike was doing massive sales because of the situation that we're in now, and I took full advantage of copping the sneaker for only $93, man. You let me know right now in the comment section below if you have these joints. Let me know if they trash. Let me know if you like them. Let me know something down below in the comment section, because that's what YouTube likes to see, man. Drop some comments down below. If you want to put a bunch of trash can emojis, you can go ahead and do that, because at the end of the day, you guys are helping the channel grow. So yeah, man, this is my newest pickup. I did want to let you guys know that the Air Jordan 6 DMPs did a restock on Eastbay, and J23 app sent that notification while I was recording this video. So you guys got to get J23 app to be notified when some of these restocks, shock drops, and all that happens with Nike, with sneakers app and stuff like that. And I can definitely see a lot more restocks on those Air Jordan 6 DMPs. And of course, like we talked about yesterday, it's gonna be a lot more shock drops going along with this 10-part documentary. I'm checking my phone right now, and J23 app just sent another notification out saying select sizes added. The Jordan 6 DMPs on Champs Sports, man. So if you took an L on the Air Jordan 6 DMPs, go ahead and hit up Champs and Eastbay. They just did some major restocks on that sneaker. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you have not hit the like button yet, man, make sure you hit the like button. Comment down below what you think about these Air Jordan 8 multicolor joints. I thought they were dope. I got them for $93, so I couldn't beat it. So I was like, man, let me go ahead and jump on this steal. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed already to the channel. Ring the notification bell for your boys to never miss another video that drops on the channel. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. Of course, it will be linked down below in the description box. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into a quick on feet over these Air Jordan 8 multicolors, man. Let's get it.